Hey babe, it's me. I love you so much. Time will only tell the vast love I have for you. But within the 4 years we've known each other, been together, God has really shown me purpose. He's shown me a glimpse of destiny. And He's rewarded me for trusting His timing and His will. And that reward was you. And so I want to tell you that I love you. I respect you. I depend on you. I honor you and I cherish who you are in my life. You are the best thing that's ever happened to me. And I always give God glory for all that we share, all that we are, and all that we will be. I love you, baby.